Hi students, I'm Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture, we are discussing the UML tools associated with developing the different UML diagrams. Since UML is a unified modeling language and it is used to create a meaningful object-oriented model for the software application, it clearly represents the working of hardware as well as software of a particular system. There are numerous tools, both commercial as well as open source, which are available for designing the UML diagram, and we are discussing some of the common tools available for developing a UML diagrams. So firstly, we are discussing the tool named StarUML. A StarUML is an open source software modeling tool which is provided by the EMK lab. It has come up with 11 different type of modeling diagrams, and it also supports UML 2.0 specified diagrams. The major features of this StarUML includes it let us to create object, use case, deployment, sequence, collaboration, activity and profile diagrams. It is a UML 2.x standard compliant, and it offers multi-platform supports like Mac OS, Windows and Linux platforms. Second one is the Umbrello. Umbrello is a unified modeling language tool which is based upon KDE technology, and it supports both reverse engineering and code generation for C++ and Java. The major features are it implements both structural and behavioral diagrams, and it imports C++ and can export up to a wider range of languages. Third one is UML Designer tools. The UML Designer tool helps in modifying and envisioning UML 2.5 models, and it allows us to create all the UML diagrams. The major features are it provides transparency to work on DSL as well as UML models. With the UML Designer tool, the user can reuse the provided presentations. It implements the component, class and composite structure diagrams, and to start working with the DSL we can use the UML legacy models. Fourth one is Altova. Altova has provided UModel, which is another UML software modeling tool, and it supports all type of 14 UML 2.0 version diagrams as well as SysML for the embedded systems. It also holds up for business process modeling for enterprises analysis, and it generates visually designed software model by incorporating Java, C++, C# or Visual Basic .NET frameworks. And the major features are it provides a dedicated toolbar for an individual diagram. It offers unlimited undo-redo operations which inspire to discover new ideas. In UML diagram, we can easily add a hyperlink to any element. It also provides an intuitive color coding, icon customized alignment grid, and cascading style of colors, font, lines, etc. So next one is the AMPL. AMPL is an object-oriented and modeling language that textually supports the state diagram and class diagram. It adapts the Java, C++ and PHP, which results in more readable and short line of codes. The major features are it includes singleton pattern, key, immutability, mixins and aspect-oriented injection, which makes UML more understandable to the user. It enforces referential integrity by supporting the UML multiplicity. Sixth one is visual paradigms. A visual paradigm is a tool that supports the SysML, UML2 and business modeling process notations from object management group. It involves a report generation as well as a code generation, and the major features are it supports all the 14 UML2 diagrams, and it supports BPMN 2.0, ERD, ORMT and SysML tools. when it comes to the 7th version known as StarUML. StarUML is a division of StarUML 5.0 that offers the bug fixes and has improved its capability with the latest operating systems. That is, it supports a Unicode string or simply being developed and tested on Windows 7, Windows 8 and the latest Windows updates. So the major features are: it offers a refreshed user interface, it completely handles the functioning of Unicode strings, it provides the supports to Windows 7, 8 and 10, and on-demand upload and download of units are available, and it directly integrates the ERD profile and extends to generate the parse and the SQL tables. Eighth one is Draw.io. Draw.io is an open source modeling tool to create flowchart, process diagrams, UML, ER and network diagrams. The major features are: since it is very easy to use, it provides an intuitive interface, drag and drop functionality, a huge amount of template, and also it does not need to install. It offers security and reliability. It can be used anywhere, both online and offline, and it is compatible with each and every browsers. So ninth one is GenMyModel. GenMyModel is an online modeling platform that offers business as well as IT modeling diagrams. It provides an online platform. It generates online codes. It provides a centralized repository for easy and simultaneous model collaboration, and we can import and export the diagrams as PDFs. When it comes to the 10th platform, the 10th one is Latino. It is an online platform that offers UML tool for the faster development of UML diagrams. It is based on UML ET, which is an Eclipse plugin or work as a standalone tool. It allows to export the diagram as XML or any other image file such as GIF, JPEG or SVG format, and it is installation free web application. 11th one is Diagram.oh. Diagram.oh is an online open source HTML5 software that allows us to build flowchart, and it allows easy download and installation on the servers, and it saves the diagrams as images, and it is a kind of UML diagram as it offers a flowchart focused software, and it offers lifetime support and storage. When it comes to the 12th one, the 12th one is Asta. Asta, which has previously known as Jude, that is Java and UML Developers Environment, is a UML modeling tool, and it imports XML file and exports HTML, RTF and image files, and it intuitively works with Windows, Mac, Linux operating systems. 13th one is BioML. BioML is a UML diagram designer which is programmed in Qt and C++. It permits us to specify and generate code in C++, Java, IDL, PHP, Python and MySQL, and it supports code generation, reverse engineering, and it is a multilingual tool. It runs on Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems. Since it is very fast, it does not necessitate much memory to handle thousands of classes. So my dear students, these are the 13 different UML tools available, and in the upcoming lecture we will discuss some more tools relating with the UML diagram specifications and UML diagram drawing. So my dear students, in the upcoming lecture we will discuss another set of tools associated with UML diagram representations. So my dear students, see you soon. Until then, goodbye. Thank you and all the best.